Kumamoto Prefecture has many wonderful tourist attractions. Below are 10 of the best places to visit. 1. Kumamoto Castle, one of the 3 most famous castles in Japan. It is characterized by its beautiful stone walls. 2. Suizenji Seishuen. This beautiful garden is designated as a national place of scenic beauty and historic interest. 3. Kusasenrigahama Beach. This is a 785,000 square meter grassland area with a magnificent view of the mountains. 4. Daikanbo. This is a popular viewpoint with a 360 panoramic view of the 5 Aso peaks. 5. Aso Milk Factory. The flagship shop of an Aso dairy farmer, where you can enjoy cheese and sweets. 6. Aso Cuddly Dominion. A zoo where you can meet many animals. 7. Kurokawa Onsen. This hot spring resort boasts an abundance of high-quality hot water. 8. Aso Farmland. Aso Farmland is a health and recreational facility that makes the most of the natural beauty of Aso. 9. Nabegataki Park. An ideal place to seek healing in nature. 10. Aso Shrine. This ancient shrine is dedicated to Mount Aso and offers a sense of history. These spots are a great way to experience the nature, history and culture of Kumamoto Prefecture. Please check the latest information before visiting. We wish you an enjoyable trip. We will continue to introduce the charms of Japan. So please subscribe to our channel and click the good button.